Say Jay's. God damn it, dog. I'm sorry, like, she just needs to chill out here. Stop. Fucking butt's itching really fucking bad, dude. Go on, Cass! Damn, this shit's like fucking burning. Sorry.
Why'd your ass hurt?
I don't know, man. My fucking armpits. Like, you see anything in there?
No, just take off
Everything's all like.
your jacket.
Dude, my butt. It's fucking itching real bad.
Did you bath today?
Oh, no, I don't remember. No, I didn't. I didn't take a butt. No.
We cousins.
What were you doing?
No, I'm sitting in the doctor.
Girlie! Damn it!
Fine. How was your day? Huh? How was your day?
Stupid.
Nothing? Slow, boring.
Hey, where were you at?
I was
watching in here.
Where's the ball scratching?
Huh?
You were supposed to scratch your balls, man. It's cool. He didn't fucking.
He hasn't done the girlfriend.
No, he's not acting like a girl yet.
You mean all by your motherfucking self? Yeah.
On with the ambiance.
Oh. Look, she's strictly so good. Did you get smacked? Yeah.
What's wrong with you, man?
Oh, excuse me, girl.
Tripping, man.
Man, come on, girl. Oh my God.
Okay, there goes that goofy ass woman. Girl, you better.
You want to put there?
Okay, I'm